Alright guys, so welcome to another video tutorial on how to create a website. Maybe you are a product person or you are an affiliate marketer, you need a website. Probably you're a business owner, you also need a website, but it varies. So you can check my other tutorial on how to create a link tree for yourself, and this is like a landing page for your business also. So the site we will be using is Cardco. Yeah, so you go to your Google, you type in card.co. So when you click on card.co, you log in your details and to ask you what exactly do you want to do. So if it is form, if it is landing page, if it is portfolio, any of them, you check and select the actual one you want to choose from. Okay, so for this tutorial we will be doing an example, and that example is for landing page. Yeah, I want to create a landing page for a client. For okay, let me use it for myself. I will use the practical example will be for myself. So now once you click on that particular one you want, you can see there are varieties. There's a pro version you can as well pay, and it's cheap for a year, but for starters, you have to use the free version. But if you have the money, you can as well pay and be able to design to your taste. Yeah, you have full design control to your taste. All right, so I will be picking the landing page, and it will bring out samples and different type under the landing page. The ones we saw earlier is for everything, so these are the ones for landing page, and these are the samples. So I will be selecting this particular one. I think it's looking simple and attractive, so that's the particular one I will be picking. Alright, this video tutorial is very detailed, guys. I'm sorry if it's going to be lengthy, but I just want to teach you everything, and I don't get to do a part 2 of it, so I decide to just do everything at once, and so it is kind of long. Alright, so this is the particular design I picked, and as you can see, this is the template. This is how it's looking like. All I have to do is to edit and arrange to my taste. Like, I'm going to select each of the text and edit it to my preference. Alright, so I decided to repick another one because that one is looking complicated somehow, but yeah, let's repick another particular one. Okay, this one is also fine. That mean they're attractive, but let me just pick one. Okay, so I decided to pick this particular one and decide to use it for a client, like my friend though. So I decided to use it as an example because she sells an item, she has a shop. So when I saw the features of this, I'm like, okay, it will actually rhyme for a business. So I decided to use it. So all I did was to just go back, then pick that particular one, then open it up. So now it's time to edit. So anything I click on, it will bring out this brush over here at the other side. Then it asks me to select picture, so I'm going to check my gallery to pick a particular image, or yeah, a particular image to upload on. So you can use it for like maybe a website to showcase all your products and your review, everything, anything. Just put it there. So I'm trying to look for a product to use on this site. So that's what I'm doing now. I've seen one. Now this is a picture. This is a brand. Yeah. So I'm picking this one. I cropped it and make sure it fits. So when it's uploaded, it will change to the site. So I'll click on done. So once I click on done, it saves. Do you understand? Like, it's saved. Now I'll click on this text, random product. I'll click on it, edit it, and write a brand name. And the brand name is Z Store. So I'll click on it and click on done. So it's just like a template. So you just edit every feature and make it into your own. Then I can now describe what Ziva Store is about in that other line, which is that's the French. I think it's a French site, but you edit it anyway. So I cleaned it and I edited it and add what the store is all about. Number one, variety store for quality materials. So I click on done. You can see it's there. Now for this button, I can just put shop or what would be the best. I think shop now is the best, or shop here. So I'll click on done again, and I can add my WhatsApp link. Suppose I've created a WhatsApp link, I would add the WhatsApp link there, but because I haven't done that, I want to edit all the page, everything I'm saying here, then I will now rearrange and add my WhatsApp link. But just follow through, we'll be getting there every aspect of it. So what are the things she does? I change it to kids wear, kids wear, like make it to the capital letter, so it can make sense. Like you take your time to edit each of the features so that you can be able to do it properly. So I'll change the amount of the kids wear to like maybe 5,000 to 10,000, depending on your money, your budget. So if you're looking for clothes at that affordable price within that reach, you can just send her a DM and order. So I clicked on 2,000 to 10,000. So within that price range, you should be able to get clothes for your children. So when I clicked on, you can see I went back and I click on this brush to reduce the size. The A is for the text. Anytime you click on any of the text, it will bring out this area. This A is for the text, and that brush is for reduction of sizes. So I have this other I done. So the subheading, we have materials, like just to edit a little bit of what other items she does. Then I'll explain what kind of materials she sells. Alright guys, so now I'm going to clean that particular area and also write shop for varieties of materials, quality materials, and yeah, shop for quality materials for occasions or events, for anything you need it for, and get it delivered to you, you know. So for male and female, yeah. So I cleaned, I'll put it in brackets, a little bit plain and pattern materials. Yeah, so plain and pattern material. So I click on done and you can see that is already changed. So I remove the amount from dollar to naira and put the particular amount that is it can be sold for. So I'll just edit it and arrange it and put it there properly. So I think she can sell, you can see that for like maybe 5,000, right? I don't know, but I just test run everything I'm doing here. So that doesn't mean that's the actual. I actually redesigned another one for her, and that one is actually fine. Yeah. So my baby girl, my friend, is enjoying. Alright, so that's what I did at that particular side. Now you can see that I've edited. Okay, I've not edited this key this way. I didn't explain. So I'll go back to text, then clean the text side, and when I'm done, yeah, let's write affordable keywords for male and female that can be worn for different occasions. Yeah, so kids wear for children of age 5 to 15. Yeah, it's 5 to 15 years, both male and female, quality wears. So you can see Yeah, so that's it for that side. I'll click on done. So I'll scroll up again and see which other side I've not edited. So this last part, you can as well, if you don't have anything to add again, you can delete. But if you have, you can still put. So I was thinking of what I should put down there, but I decided to skip because I think it's already getting too much. So for the sake of the tutorial, I just decided to change image and make the page more beautiful. So I look for more of her works, like her clothes that I have on my page. She sells shoes, she sells different kind of items. So I took my time to just use this tutorial of her to make it detailed. Yeah, to make it detailed. That's why I did it that way. So I picked some of the wares I noticed she sells, because she actually sells all these items. So I enlarge it and just pick it to this point and save it when I was done. So you can say you can put your URL there, but for the sake of this one, let's just finish designing. Then I'll change this particular heading and write something meaningful. That's the email address, right? So let's write kids wears done. That's an example of a kid wear. So I'll click on this again, change and add a picture, and let's say I put another picture of her. Okay, so I'm going to pick this particular picture of our brand. You can see my gallery is full of some of our works. So let's use maybe this shoe or polo. Let's pick a shoe. So I picked this particular shoe so people can know she sells quality shoes. So it's fit at this point and I'm done. Then I will scroll down again and edit it to shop for shoes. Yeah, let's say shoes quality shoes. Alright, so done. Then that's me just editing almost every area and explaining everything about it. Like any template you choose, you just have to go through the details and edit it. Like, but if you don't want, you can as well delete anyone you don't want. But anyone you want, you edit it properly and make sure everything is coming out fine. Just take your time. Don't rush when you're doing this. Take your time, because whatever you show is what people will see and they'll be like, this site is not good, when you know calmly edit it very well. So make sure you calmly edit it properly so that you get the best of the site, because it's actually simple. Since it's a template, all you have to do is edit and arrange properly. Yeah, so I think I'm done like this. Now let me do this last part and pick another way or not that well. So we've done for kids, we've done for shoes. Let's pick another item. Let's see. Okay, let me use maybe a logo. Yeah, this some of the design logo I did for her, because I actually designed. This is like a business card I did, so it also will be fitting this area. So let's just use it as an example. As I said, I actually redesigned the site back. I only used this while I was doing a template tutorial for this class. That's why it's looking like this. So take your own time when you are doing yours and edit each and every one of those aspects. So now this is the beginning. So as I said, you can add your link. So before I do that, I will click on those three dotted line at the other top right there, and I'll put my title. So what does the site, what, like the site, how should people call it? So I wrote my name. If your own is Ziva Store Empire, you can put it there. Then the description of the store. So now the site will be adenike.card.co, because that is the name I put there. So if you want another name, you can put your own business name as at that place. Okay, So I only describe what her store was here so that it can have a very unique feature because it's part of the requirement. So then I'll click at this point and add the name I want it to have. So you can also make money by doing this for someone. So if you're doing it for someone, you would register it under your own name. You'll be the one managing it for the person. Do you understand? Be the one managing it for the person. So this is another way to make money, guys. I just shared something with you. Alright, so I wrote store by Ziva so that the name will be unique for her. So if it doesn't accept it, that means something is wrong. So you have to make sure it accepts it. Then when I was done, I just save. So when you save and you find out that you've made some mistake, you can as well still go back to correct it. You know, I said I've not done the links, like when they will click on any of the links so it will take them to the lady's WhatsApp. So I did that, but I realized that okay, I've not edited some areas. So I said, okay, let me edit some areas before I finally save. I only fill the other information in the save icon before I save, but I haven't saved it. I came back to the site to finish up some of the design I left earlier. So quality ready made beards. So I click on done. So now the site is looking a little bit more better. Okay, I've not edited this side again. Like the template I chose this time, this particular template is very lengthy, but it's for the sake of this tutorial so you can get a detail on how to edit it to the fullest. Hence why I chose this particular template. So the text area is for you to edit text and add text to it. Then when you're done, you adjust and make everything properly placed. So I think I'll skip. Yeah, let's skip to when we saved. Alright, so I think yeah, it's looking a bit better. Like I've edited some areas and this is how it's looking like now. So I'll click on the three dotted line above there and I'll come down to dashboard. So I'll click on publish. Now I'll now write the name of the site I want the site to be bearing, which is a brand name. So if a name has been taken to tell you not available or maybe it's used by another site, so you have to choose a name that is unique to yourself alone. Yeah. So I click on this one and it says it is available, so I click on publish. So when you search online Ziva store, you are going to see the site available. Yeah, the site is actually available. So now it's publishing, you wait for it to load, and when it's okay, you click on view site or copy this thing, the site. But since we are not done, I just clicked on okay because I wanted to all set. As I have successfully studied, now this is the site, and you can see for a starter you can only edit like 3 websites for someone. So I have like 2 sites already done. Yeah, so you can delete it. So now I just copy the link of the site, I paste it to my WhatsApp. Alright guys, so I searched for our WhatsApp page so that I can copy some of the links she sent to me. So now I'm going back to the site, I'll open it up, then it will load to the page I was. So now I'll now click on shop here and click on add. So when I click on add, it will tell me paste your URL. So I'll copy the WA link I did for her. If you don't know how to create WA link, by now you ought to know how to create WA link from this class tutorial. So check my other video under the playlist to know how to create a WA link. So we pasted the WA link there. Now I'll click on learn more and I'll also paste a WhatsApp link there so that anywhere they click on the website, it's taking them down to our WhatsApp. The end goal is for them to get to our WhatsApp. The landing page is for them to check her page for things she has, how she does, her reviews. Like you can use it to our reviews bank. You can use it to post your pictures, like put all kinds of pictures you like from your brand and put it there. Just continue editing and arranging them properly. And if you can do it very well, as I said, you can pay for the site so you can get full version of, I mean, professional version, but you can still use this free one to select a free template and edit it to your taste, and it will be looking gorgeous. Like, if you are on my WhatsApp link, you can request to see my own personal page and how I designed it eventually. But you can take your time and do this with this tutorial, else why this tutorial is very lengthy. So the icon, I can change my icon. In this side, I'm trying to look for a WhatsApp icon for the link, since the link I put there is a WhatsApp link. So you just have to scroll because there are varieties of icons. Like, this site is very good. They have varieties of icons. Can you say icons for what you want to do? Yeah, there's so many. You can see gallery. So if you click on gallery, that means it will allow you to be able to put different pictures. Do you understand? So just be creative when you're doing your own and make it much more better. So if you have a book, you can also put your book link. Maybe your book is on Amazon, or your book is on you're selling your book. What's the site that will sell book? Or your course, anything. You can put your videos, everything. For the icons, you just select any icon you want. So at this point, I was trying to look for WhatsApp icon. So I think I will have to cut this video and look for the icon, but you get the scope. Yeah, so you choose the icon to rhyme with the URL you are putting. Sure, you understand? Alright, so now I've picked that particular one. Now the next one we have learn more. So I want to change that learn more button also to the WhatsApp link I've already put there. So I have to select the WhatsApp icon. Like, you just be creative, as I said about it. Your label can have different kind of labels, but you can adjust it and edit it to the point of having a good icon and all of that, to just showcase your brand and make it attractive. So anytime you send somebody or you add it to your link tree, your brand is also there, and people will be like, wow, this is cool, this is fantastic. They will trust your brand more because they are seeing you doing exceptional in this area. I don't know if you understand. Yeah, so that's it. All right, so I finally found WhatsApp in this area because there are so many. Can you see? There are so many, and WhatsApp is the number letter W. So I have to scroll down to letter W. Can you see, guys? So that's WhatsApp. All right, so I'm going to click on done, and that's it. I'm done. Yeah, so all the place that is locked are probably because you've not paid. So if you pay, you'll be able to use all the features. Yeah, but still not with these few ones. Can't you say it's looking amazing already? Yeah, so that's it. If you now want to put videos, audio, image, you can see you can put anything. When you come to this plus area, you can put anything, edit it to your taste, add table, templates, links, list, anything as you like. Just continue arranging and editing. So I'm here to put another picture just to make the site more colorful. I hope with these few things we've done so far, you are able to like, comment, understand, and create something good for yourself using this simple website. Okay, so I finally saw a picture. Yeah, since she's the brand owner, can you see this beautiful lady? Yeah, so shop for our website, guys. Shop from our website. Yeah, go to our DM and shop at our website. So all rights reserved remain to Catco, but her image is there to showcase she's the owner of the website. So what more are you looking for, guys? Can you say I can just click on image and I'll keep on adding more images? But that's it, guys. So the website is actually ready. So if it's yours, edit to your taste and choose any design you like, right? Thank you for watching. Till next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so I picked a logo and added to the website. Yeah, so I clicked on done when I was done and when it's uploaded, and that's it. So guys, that's it guys. So all I did is come to that three dot line up above to click on publish so that it can save. So publish changes, yeah. So it will save, it will load, and when it's done, when it gets to 100%, then the site is ready. Yeah, the site is ready for you. It has been ready since the first time, but we were not done adding the links, so we didn't like share to friends. But now we can now share to friends because we've edited it properly. Yeah, so we've edited it properly. So all I'll go to setting, copy. Can you see the link of the site? So I'll click on copy and I'll paste it to my browser. Yeah, I'll paste it to my browser. So once I paste, oh, that's my WhatsApp link, so I'll delete that. Then copy the link again, copy the link. Why is my browser doing me like this? Card.co. So if you want to edit anything, just go back to card.co. It will tell you to open. So you open dashboard. But if you're just starting, you click on open, starting a point. That's where you click on to start from. So I'll click on setting, copy again, and go to my browser and paste to my browser. So now look at it from the website. Can you see how it's looking like? Can you see how it is looking like? Get in touch. Can you see? But just the difference is that card code will be showing because we did not pay. We are using a free version, but who cares? Like, you can still make use of it. But if you want to pay, so if I click on any of the things to come here and tell me I want to show some of your products, that's the reason why you should create a wall link. So not a wall link, shorten link or a customized link, and then put it that way. So when anybody's coming to your DM, they're coming with a motion, a mission, and they're coming for a reason, not that they're just entering your DM for no reason. So click on wa.link and create a wall link. Check my previous tutorial on how to do that. I don't want to do that in this video. Alright.